Parrot's epic grocery fail. So this all started when my neighbor, Dave, decided he wanted to modernize his parrot, Captain Beaky. Now, Dave's always bragging about how smart Beaky is. He claims the bird knows over 100 words, can whistle the Star Wars theme, and once even asked for a raise in cracker rations. One Saturday, Dave invited me over because he wanted me to see Beaky's latest trick, ordering groceries online. I figured it was just Dave being Dave, but hey, who am I to turn down free coffee and parrot entertainment? Dave had set up his tablet on the kitchen table and opened up the grocery delivery app. He'd programmed it with voice commands and was very proud of his innovative training regimen, which, as far as I could tell, consisted mostly of bribing Beaky with wheat thins. The idea was that Beaky would repeat specific phrases, like order apples or add bread. At first, it was mostly harmless, just a lot of squawking and the occasional accidental search for apple-bottom jeans. Still, Dave was convinced Beaky was a feathered genius on the verge of revolutionizing grocery shopping. Then, 2 days later, a delivery truck rolled up and the driver started unloading crate after crate onto Dave's porch. We watched in horror as an endless parade of boxes labeled premium crackers piled up. It looked like the world's saddest, driest bakery had just exploded in front of Dave's house. Beaky, perched in the window, started chanting crackers. Crackers. Like some kind of snack-obsessed cult leader, while Dave frantically scrolled through his app history trying to figure out what went wrong. Turns out, Beaky had learned exactly one command: order crackers. And he'd learned it very, very well, 53 times, to be exact. Dave spent the afternoon trying to return the mountain of crackers while I laughed so hard I nearly choked on a saltine. Moral of the story: be careful what you parrot, sometimes a one-track squawk is all it takes to get yourself in a real crunch.